Hey guys, today we are going to be opening 50 silver and pixel gun, basically 59k, but that's besides the point, really. But we're going to be spending that today. We're just going to be opening some weapon chests, and really that's all. I've been grinding for the past weeks to get Crystal Division, and I hope this was all worth it. We get a couple parts of weapons. It will all be worth it, really. So, I'm going to be opening this one. It has all the weapons in it that we need. And that's what we're going to be opening. And if we run out, we could open the modules and engineer. And if we're lucky, we get enough points for the super chest. But yeah, let's get to it. Okay, starting off with gold. That's pretty good. Ooh, the room. I forgot the heavy, I'm pretty sure. Enchanted Crystal of Ancients. Cool. Next chest is 1,000. Oh, the price is going up slowly. Not good, not good. Ooh, the what's it called? Rice Waving Horns. The backup. Sniper, pretty good. Another one. Gold, let's go. This special, pretty nice. 6,000, it's getting expensive. The bullet chests are not good. Only 15 parts is definitely not good. Next one. Here we go. Oh my gosh, it's the blue one. That's so not good. The melee, okay. Everyone in that one too. The Runic Sentinel. 12,000. Holy man. That's gonna take a while to grind back. Should we do it? Okay, let's just do it. Oh my gosh, we just got blue again? That's actually trash. No! Oh my gosh. And 15 points for a room buster. Okay, we go with one more chest and we're done. It's a gold, right? Thank goodness. Let's see what we get. And the room buster. Okay, not bad. Now let's just spend the rest on the module and engineer. Should be fun. Alright, first one. The blue one. Alright. 30 parts is not. 30 is pretty good, I think. Okay, tactical vest module. It's pretty cool. Next one. That is the magic module. Pretty nice. 50 super chest points. Okay, let's open the crystal engineer one. The teleporters, that is nice. 100 parts to teleport. Let's go. Well, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed my content, and see you guys. Bye.